The ingredients that we're gonna need for today's recipe is, of course, some pasta. I am gonna use this thin spaghetti. You can use whatever pasta you like for this. That's why I like this recipe so much. You can use shells, elbows, the twist, anything that you like. Okay, we have 1 cup of chicken broth, a half of a cup of lemon juice, 1 whole lemon sliced real thinly, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of Parmesan grated cheese. I have 6 garlic cloves minced, a half of an onion. I use purple onion. You can use any onion you like. A teaspoon of parsley flakes, salt, pepper, some red pepper flakes, and I have 1.5 pounds of chicken skinless thighs. You can use chicken breast, you can use skin on, whatever you like. Okay, this recipe allows for a lot of variation. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cook the pasta according to the package, and we're gonna get going on the chicken. It's a pretty fast recipe, pretty easy, so let's get started. The water's boiling and I'm getting ready to salt my water, and I get a lot of salt like this and I sprinkle it in because this is your only chance really to salt your pasta. So you want it salty like sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna wait till that comes to a boil and I'm gonna drop in my spaghetti pasta. And make sure the salt is dissolved. Give it a quick stir. This cooks real quick. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes for this pasta. I'm going to leave it slightly al dente only because it's going to cook a little bit in the pan with the chicken broth. Let's get started with the chicken. We're going to fry up the chicken. This shouldn't take long. It should take about 3 minutes per side. I've already salt and peppered the chicken. Okay, let me salt this side. Salt. A little bit of pepper because we're going to use the red pepper flakes as well. Okay, and I'm going to let this cook and I'll be back as soon as this is ready. Okay, I've already flipped the chicken. I left it on that side for about 3.5 minutes. And I'm going to do this side and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to start removing the chicken and putting it on a plate. The smaller pieces that cook faster, I'm going to put them on a plate. Okay, the pasta's just about ready. I'm going to reserve about 1.5 cups of the water in case we need it for the sauce. And then we're going to strain the pasta. Okay, we're going to strain the pasta and set it aside. Okay, I'm just going to set it aside and we're going to continue with the sauce. Okay, we're done with the chicken. I'm going to set it to the side. You don't have to wash the skillet or anything. We're going to use the same skillet to get the sauce going. And the oil that's in there is enough to get us going. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add the onion. We're going to saute this till translucent. Shouldn't take long because it's cut pretty finely. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that. Okay, we're going to add the garlic. I'm going to saute that. Don't let this get brown because if you do, it's going to get bitter. So you just want to get it cooked down just for about 1.5 minutes or so. Just till you start to smell the garlic. Okay, the garlic is ready. We are going to add the chicken broth. And we're going to bring this back up to a simmer. Okay, we have this up to a simmer. We are going to add the lemon juice. And we are going to sprinkle in the red pepper flakes. Now this you can adjust according to what you like. Or if you have kiddos that, you're trying to avoid the spice, just leave it out. Okay, you don't want this to boil. You just want this to simmer. Okay, I'm going to reduce this just a little bit. Okay, so it's going to take about 2 minutes or so, 3 minutes to reduce just a little bit. And I'll be right back. Okay, we got this reduced. Now we are going to add the tablespoon of butter. Okay, you're gonna melt that in. And we're gonna sprinkle in half of the Parmesan cheese. Okay. And now we're gonna add in our noodles that I have reserved right over here. Just be careful, don't splash yourself. And then you're just gonna give it a good toss. We're gonna put the chicken back in there as well. See how it drank up all the liquid. So we're probably not gonna need the water that we reserved from the pasta. And we are going to put the chicken pieces back in. And we're going to sprinkle some more of the Parmesan cheese. And if you want to sprinkle some more pepper flakes, you can. And then we are going to put our little lemon wedges in there. Cover this for about 10 minutes and you're done. Real quick and delicious meal. Okay, the lemon garlic chicken came out scrumptious. It smells delicious. I wish you could just smell this. I'm gonna bring it up close so you can see it. It is delicious and creamy. The spaghetti's just perfectly cooked, and so is the chicken. Okay guys, that concludes the video today. I hope you enjoy it. If you do and try it, come back and let us know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.